Hey guys, it's Joshua. Last year, about this time, we did an OfficeChairs giveaway on this sub. We had so much fun doing it, we're going to do it again. I can announce that we have 7 different manufacturers already giving away 8 chairs. A couple of standing desks are going to be in this. We're going to have prizes in the lower 48 United States. We're going to have prizes up in Canada. We're going to have a prize giveaway in Perth, Australia. So this is going to be our first really international chairs giveaway. And stay tuned, be subscribed to the sub and check it out because more information is going to come out in the next week or so. If you are a manufacturer and you are active in this sub and you'd like to be involved and you haven't been in touch with us already, please get in touch with me through mod mail or something like that so that we can get you on the list, and we're gonna have some fun and we're gonna give away a whole bunch of office chairs. What could be better? Stay tuned.